that retest area. So I'll go underneath this next candle here, set my take profit to 1 to 4, can set up a contract entry, price enters. You can see price comes in contact with this trend level before making a response. Now we're waiting for this high to be breached. We have a candle close over this high. I'm reducing my risk. All right, and this trade took a little bit longer. It was about 3 hours, sort of just trailing this up, close out of the position. It can literally be that simple. So I'm going to show you a full sequence of trades that I took over a trading session. I recorded all of this live. So this is not a hindsight thing. So you can see step number 1, I identified my level. Step number 2, waited for my 930 open. I identified my fair value gap that was aligning with the retest of this area. You can see I put my stop loss wider over this area, allowing for price to safely come up, make contact into my key area before flipping. So I set up my order. You see price came in, responded perfectly off of that area. Then we immediately got our rejection. We got candles to close below this area where I would reduce my risk to break even. I have another video that I'll put at the end of this one where you can watch a little bit more in detail of how I do this. But what I do is go out to a 15-minute time frame. And I'm effectively finding key fair value gaps that I think price could end up trading into. So you can see in this circumstance, I'm already in my position. I want to find where price is likely to have a response. And you can see after what led into this big move up is this fair value gap right here. So once I saw price starting to respond off of there, that's where on my current time frame, I was like, maybe this could drop lower. This is a beautiful trade so far to be able to lock in profits. You can see that's exactly where price responded off of temporarily. Again, just so that you guys can see, this is me executing the trade in real time. Took my entry, stop loss, trading down. At this consolidation, I took the trade off. All right, so the next trade that I took was off of this level. Price was coming down, contact, failed to break underneath this low again. We got an actionable fair value gap in the bullish direction. So I took a trade off of this area. You can see the candle came perfectly into that area, tried to flip, but ended up returning bearish. I didn't have the confluence of reattempting this trend level, so it wasn't a perfect trade setup. Ended up